Hi. Welcome to Piku Auto Updates. Today we will discuss about 2025 Kawasaki Ninja H2. Before starting video, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe our channel. Engine: 998 cubic centimeters, 4-stroke, 4-cylinder engine. Supercharger with intercooler. Maximum power output: 231 horsepower, 170 kilowatts. Maximum torque output: 141 Newton meters, 104 lb-ft. Performance: 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, 0 to 62 miles per hour, 2.6 seconds. Top speed: 249 kilometers per hour, 155 miles per hour, electronically limited. 6-speed transmission with Kawasaki quick shifter, KQS. Chassis and suspension: trellis frame with aluminum swing arm. 43 mm inverted fork with adjustable compression and rebound damping. Unitrack monoshock with adjustable compression and rebound damping. Dual 320 mm discs with Brembo M50 monoblock calipers, front. Single 250 mm disc with Brembo caliper, rear. Electronics: Kawasaki Cornering Management Function, KCMF. Kawasaki Traction Control, KTRC. Kawasaki Launch Control Mode, KLCM. Kawasaki Intelligent Braking System, KIBS. Electronic Throttle Valves, ETV. Ergonomics and comfort: sporty riding position with adjustable handlebars and foot pegs. 5-inch TFT color instrument display. LED headlights and taillights. Thanks for watching.